What's happened, everyone? This is Ashley with the Daily Practice. I'm excited, very excited to come back. Week 2 of Project Activation. All month long, we are going to be exploring all the things that have to do with activating your projects. And so I'm excited because there's a few things that we're going to go over today. So here's what I'm thinking. Hear me out. There's such a thing as, do you have a good project idea or not, right? I want some of you all who are watching this video to be thinking, all right, I have an idea. It's either in place or it is something that I am almost working on, right? So you might be in between ideas or you may be actually implementing. So this particular title of this video is going to be vetting the project idea, right? Do I actually have a good project idea? Do I have an idea that's actually worth pursuing so that I can be able to like accomplish the thing that, hey, that you have set out to do? So here's what I want you to think about. There's about 4 things I want you to think about. Number 1, is this particular project strategically aligned to your brand and your business? Yes, I believe one of the things that helps you to accomplish the goal that you have in mind or where it is that you want to be in the next 3, 4, 5, 6 months or whatever the time frame is, it has to do with what your plan, your process, your system, and the projects that you have in place. So make sure that your projects are in alignment. All right. Another thing I want you all to bring up is that I want to bring up to you all is research. Research is important. So what's behind the big idea? Who's done this before and what are the solutions? Hey, this might actually be something that hasn't been done before, or you're coming from a different angle. I love it because you can research all of these things and more and how that specifically applies to the solution that you're bringing. Remember, the projects are the vehicle. They are the vehicle to the end result that you're seeking, to the product, to the service. So think about that, right? Think about, you know, everything that encompasses what this big project idea is and who's done it before and the research piece to it. Money, it's never too early to think about the money factor. Do you have money? And not to say that you have money in the bank account, but do you have a plan for the money? Practically speaking, you can actually start with nothing. You can absolutely start with nothing. Like nobody's gonna sit there and, well, some people may be like, you can't do nothing, you don't have no money. No, you can start. However, let's think about how far you can go if you don't have anything. And that's relative, right? Because if we're looking to start something, everyone, we have something to start with. But money wise, when we're talking about investments, people, resources, technology, we need to think about the money. And then lastly, what is this end result that we're looking for? What is exactly we're looking to do? What do we expect? And so I think that is really important for us to think about. As a project manager, when you are embarking upon leading out these efforts with your big visionary of your team lead, make sure that you are thinking about these things. Make sure you're asking the critical questions that you need to in order for you to think about the strategy that needs to be put in place to execute on the project. And as a visionary, don't be taken aback if you have your PM asking you some follow-up questions. They're just trying to get clarification, right? They're just trying to get clarification. Well, that's it for the daily practice. Make sure that you share this video with a friend, and we'll talk soon. Bye.